Hello students, so today we will continue lesson 1 computer system. In the last class we have discussed about the computer and the characteristics of computer, and today we will study about the limitations of computers. Okay, first limitation, see what is the first limitation of the computer? Computer has the limited ability to think. Means as humans can think, computer cannot think by its own. Limited ability, why it is written here? Because in nowadays scenario we are getting the robots and others which are doing the operations, and some smart robots are there which are driving the cars also. So this happens only with the help of the artificial intelligence. Means in today's computers we can provide the artificial intelligence, means artificially they can think. Means we are training like we are training a child. Similarly, we can train the computers also with the help of the neural networks that we learn in the higher classes. That is called the neural networks. Like in our brain, the neuron is there, and our neurons is trained from the beginning. Means from the beginning of our childhood, our parents, teachers trained us that is the mango, that is the desk, that is the blackboard, and that is person is a teacher, that person is a doctor. So we got the training. Means by training we learn the things. By training we learn the thing, that is water, that is milk. So similarly, with the help of the neural networks also we train the computers. So that's why it has a limited ability to think. But today also, computer is not fully independent. They cannot think by their own, but they have the limited thinking ability. Second is dependence on power. If the power supply is not there, the current is not there, computer can't do anything. Second is dependence on power. So these two things are the limitations in that. Next we will discuss about the applications of computers in the various fields. As we know, the invention of computers led to the advancement in the science and technology. So in the science and technology field, many advancement has been done with the help of the development of the computers only. Okay, so in the earlier there was many large organizations for scientific research and engineering applications, but today computers are used in almost every field of our life. So the major areas of computer applications are, here we will discuss, there are many major areas where the computers are used. In the military field are used to design the high-tech weapons. Today the weapons are designed with the help of the computers only. So many missiles are launched with the help of the computers only. Okay, so the computers plays a vital role in the design and development of the high-tech weapons for the defense, where absolute accuracy is essential. So to hit the target accurately, we use the computers, and with the help of the computers, missiles are able to hit the target accurately. The whole world saw the extensive use of computers in defense during the Gulf and the Afghanistan and Iraq war. Computerized simulation exercises are very helpful in training the pilots. So computers are also used to train the pilots. Okay, computers help in fighting terror, and terrorists on their hideouts can be located anywhere in the world with high accuracy. Means if suppose anywhere the terrorists are hidden themselves, so with the help of the computer, by spying them from the satellite, with the help of the satellite they gather the information and find the point where they are hidden, and with the help of the missiles they attack on the terrorist accurately. So computers technology enables governments around the world to successfully execute their plans through effective planning. Now the world saw how America located Osama bin Laden. A good example that America has find out with the help of the computers and satellites that where the Osama bin Laden is present. So and after that they hit on the particular target. They reach there in the Abbottabad in Pakistan. Okay, with the help of their technical weapons, they reached there and they caught the terrorist Osama bin Laden, and after that they shot the terrorist dead. Next is the banks. So another major application of the computer management is the banks. Bank account is the same. All the banking operations are handled with the computers only. If the server, if the network is down, you are not able to get money or deposit the money in the bank. So now all the banking services is dependent on the computers. Now as a result of computerization, networking, a large number of banks, several facilities are being offered to customers Like online banking, you can check your real-time balance and all the details of the past transactions. Now with the help of the computer, only we are able to withdraw the money from the ATMs. Okay, so money can easily be transferred to any account across the globe. Internet banking allows us to use the ATM card, debit card to shop or buy tickets, to pay the bills, utility services and other things. Nowadays with the help of the computer only, with the help of the internet banking only, we are able to do the shopping by sitting at home. That is the online shopping. We are booking the ticket online, we are paying our electricity bill, phone bill and the premium of the insurance online. Next is the research field. Computers is also used in the research field. Computer facilitates research work in a very effective way by performing complex computations. Many complex computations is done with the help of the computers only possible. All the data which is collected by the satellites is analyzed and read by the computers only. And these computations required for launching a new satellite also. If you see in the ISRO, for launch a satellite, so they use the supercomputers. So with the help of the supercomputers, they can do the calculations at what speed, at what height they have to eject the satellite, so that the satellites revolve in the Earth's orbit. So next is for the earthquake and tsunami warnings are possible with the help of the computers only. With the help of gathering information with the help of the computers, they give the messages, warning messages that tsunami is or earthquake is going to be occur. Next is the weather forecasting is done also with the help of the computers. So 2 days, 3 days before, if you are getting the message that after 3 or 4 days there will be a heavy rain, this is with the help of the computers only. This is called the weather forecasting. So priorly 3 days before, 1 week before, scientists are scientists are predicting about the weather of the coming days. Okay, climates of the coming days. Impact of nuclear tests can be studied using computers. That what is the impact of the nuclear weapon during the testings? So that is also studied with the help of the computers only. So these things are used in the research field. Next is the education. In the computers, education is used for the learning and teaching in slowly revolutionizing our education system. So computer help learning and teaching in a slowly revolutionizing education system. Nowadays we are changing to the online classes. So this is with the help of the computers only for any information. Now our all textbooks and research papers, everything is available over the internet in the form of the electronic pages. Okay. So nowadays we are not bothered to carry the textbooks at the colleges, other places. Just we are carrying the laptop, and the laptop everything is there. So that laptop is used as a book also. That laptop is used as a notebook also. And that's the same we are writing also, and the same we are reading also. Okay. So this helps in the education. Next, this technology uses video conferencing and online modules of study material. So today's as we are doing with the computer system only, mobile only, that we are teaching the online classes, and the students are taking their online classes by sitting at home. This is with the help of the computer system. This is the real and present example for this in the use of the computer in the education field. Okay. Next. Computers is also used in the media and communication. Media and communication field, computers played a major role in revolutionizing the computer system. So from the advent, from the discovery of the telephone and TV, which were perceived as incredible things, we have come a long way to enjoy the products and facilities like mobile phones, internet, email, SMS, chatting, cable TV, video conferencing. So music can be composed by using the musical instrument digital interface, which allows the editing and controlling of the sound. So with the help of this computer only, we are editing our videos. As you are seeing, the programs over the TV, television, all are the edited program. With the help of the computers, all these videos are edited. The musics are composed. First shooting is done, and after that the musics are composed in every scene of the movies. So that you are seeing the sounds of aeroplane and other things, background music you are listening while the songs. While the playing of the songs, you are listening the background music. This is with the help of the composing of the music with the help of the computers. Next, in the field of criminal identification and law enforcement. This department is used to identify the criminals. They make the records of the all criminals which has done a crime at some time. So they use the face matching recognition software, which helps to identify the criminals. Once suppose any criminal is caught, they take their photograph and save it in their system, in their computer. And after that, next time, if any one person does a crime and someone sees, so according to the descriptions of that person's, that how their hair and face looks like, according to their descriptions, they will create a photograph of that person and they will show them. If that matches, according to the description, if there is match found in the software, so that software will display that image, and by seeing that image, persons can identify whether that criminal was there or not. Next, this have the Central Bureau of Investigation Department, CBI, CID, police, all are using the computers today to maintain the records of the criminals and also to maintain the records of all the cases. The police uses DNA fingerprinting technique to identify the accused with the help of the skin, hair or blood samples they are collecting, and with the help of the DNA matching is done with the help of the fingerprinting technique, is done with the help of the computer only. So the traffic police using the speed cameras on traffic lights. They are using the speed camera to identify the speed of the vehicle. If you are driving the vehicle, means you are crossing the speed limit of the road, so they can do the challan with the help of that computers. Automatically that computer will do the challan. Nowadays you are seeing in every vehicle there is the HSRP, high speed registration number plate is there. So that cameras capture the registration number of the vehicle, and if you are driving the vehicle means out of the speed limit, so automatically there will be the challan issued. Next, in the field of entertainment, means education and entertainment, both the make the entertainment. At home the computer is being used for education as well as internet. Yes, we are using the computer at the home for taking online classes, and the side and beside that, students are also using that computer for playing games and watching movies. So that is called the entertainment. So when with the computer, members family can easily access the games, movies, music, emails, chatting. They can do, even they can do the research for their project. So next field is the business field and the animation field. The business field also computer is used in the improvement of the business activities throughout the world. Nowadays, everyone's business, they want to make it available over the internet. So everyone starting their company on the online. They are giving their services online. They are taking the bookings online, or they are taking the orders online, and after that they are delivering the products. So in the business also the computer is used too much. So e-commerce has completely changed the scenario of online shopping. Many online shopping websites are there, Flipkart, Amazon, all are the real example of the business. They are doing the good business, they are earning lots of money with the help of the computer system only. By sitting at one place, they are taking the orders and they are also delivering the products. Next, the animation and films. In the field of the entertainment, computers are used for making animations and cartoon films. This is with the help of the computer only possible. Producing special musical effects and bringing fantasy to life in movies. Cartoon characters like the Walt Disney, Mickey and Donald, Tom and Jerry, all these are the effect of the computer's animation only. So movies like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, Avatar, Happy Feet, Robot Go India and Kung Fu Panda have used the latest computer animation techniques for creating the special effects. So the special effects in the movies are created with the help of this are computers only. Without computer, not possible. So this is all for the today's students. In the next class, we will discuss the remaining topics of this lesson. So thank you for your kind attention.